Check out our newest feature release. We now have live chat triggers and actions in workflows. Introducing the capability to add live chat triggers and actions into our CRM's workflows, enhancing real-time customer engagement and interaction. Why it matters and how this is going to help you. Now, with this update, you can seamlessly add live chat triggers to workflows. You'll also be able to utilize the new live chat message action in workflows to promptly respond to customer inquiries. And you're going to be able to integrate live chat seamlessly into your automated workflows for a more efficient and hands-free approach to customer interactions. So let's go ahead and create a workflow. To do that, first you need to go to Automation in the left-hand navigation, and then up to Workflows, and then you're going to go ahead and click on plus Create Workflow. You can go ahead and start from scratch or use a template. For my example, I'm going to start from scratch. The first thing that you want to do is add that trigger. So you're specifically going to be adding the customer replied trigger. As always, if you start to type it in, it's going to come up much faster. Now we want to go ahead and customize those filters. So I want you to go ahead and click on Add Filters inside of that trigger. From there, go ahead and start to type in reply, and that will bring up reply channel very quickly. Now we need to go ahead and customize that reply channel. So in the drop-down menu, I want you to select Live Chat. Now we're going to go ahead and add an action, and that action is specifically going to be Send Live Chat Message. So go ahead and select that. From there, you're going to input that initial message, and you're going to go ahead and save. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.